Hey guys, it's Joe, Doorman Productions. I got back my T28 right here. This is the 1.2 millimeter, and I got it back from Angel, and he installed a nice sound system into it. You see a speaker over there, and a speaker over there, and a little bit of an amplifier right there, okay, to generate the sound for these speakers. So what I want to do is, before we take it out to the field with Angel, I want to show you what he did. You also have to have a battery that has a balance lead. You can't use it with one of these Gen 2s without a balance lead or anything, because you have to plug this in to the balance lead right there. Give you some sound from inside the house here. Then we'll take it out to the field and see how it sounds, okay? I'm going to put the canopy on, because the entire body and everything whatsoever becomes a speaker, and really gives a nice sound. So I'm going to put on the canopy. Now what you're going to see here is it's going to start up after the plane basically shuts down. Because I have reverse thrust on this, the prop is going to stop faster than the sound. If I take off the reverse thrust that I put on here, then the prop will spin and the sound will shut down at the same time. And I'm going to take throttle cut off, and I'm going to fire it up, and it should start making a nice little sound. Okay, so that's pretty cool. I didn't have the reverse thrust on it set on this or anything. That prop would just spin around, but as you can see, it doesn't freely go because that is reverse thrust is set on it. Okay, so let's get out to the field, see how it sounds. I just want to give you a little up close and what's inside. Out to the field. All right, we got the T28. He's installed a sound system into it. Oi.
Gear up. Up.
It's a different motor.
Makes no sense. Go. I heard seen that on this plane, a few people, the wheel.
Kind of sticking out a little bit like that?
Sometimes it goes up, sometimes it goes down. No, but I'm saying that one.
The 2 meter big one?
Yeah.
I ain't gonna lie. Anybody that has one, really likes it.
Gear down.
Let's see.
Even when it's all the way over there.
Is the gear down?
Yes.
Can't tell.
Throttle cut on.
Pretty cool. Pretty cool.